The Honorable Shri Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, the Honorable Dato Sri Muhammad Najib bin Tun Haji Abdul Razak, the Prime Minister of Malaysia, Honorable Dato Sri Utama Tengku Adnan Tengku Mansor, Minister of Federal Territories, the Honorable Dato Sri Dr. S. Subramaniam, Minister in Attendance to the Prime Minister of India, Yang Berbahagia Tan Sri Dr. Ali Hamzah, Chief Secretary to the Government of Malaysia, the Honorable Dr. Lokapala Mohan, Deputy Minister of Federal Territories, distinguished guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, please join me in making welcome to Malaysia the Honorable Shri Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India, with a round of applause. We thank the Honorable Prime Minister for joining us, and we thank the Honorable Prime Minister of India for the gift of the Torana Gate, which symbolizes the everlasting friendship between India and Malaysia. Without further ado, it is my great pleasure to invite the Honorable Dato Sri Muhammad Najib bin Tun Haji Abdul Razak, the Prime Minister of Malaysia, to deliver his address.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good afternoon. The Right Honorable Ms. Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India. Honorable Ministers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great honor to be here today together with Prime Minister Narendra Modi to officiate the Torana Gate, a symbol of India and Malaysia friendship. I highly appreciate the great care that has been taken by experts from both countries in ensuring the successful construction of the Torana Gate. Its detailed craftsmanship and magnificent architecture will surely make it a new landmark for Kuala Lumpur. The gate also offers a way into the rich culture and history of India, one of the oldest and greatest civilizations in the world. India has shown to the rest of the world that a country need not compromise its moral values and social traditions in the pursuit of greater economic growth. Ladies and gentlemen, Prime Minister Modi and I had a very productive meeting earlier this morning, and we discussed promising new areas where we can work together. I am very excited and I am very confident that under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, our bilateral ties will advance to a higher level. Ladies and gentlemen, Torana Gate marks another high point in a long-standing history of good relations between Malaysia and India. It is symbolic as well as it is substantive, because it's a clear signal of closer cooperation and a new dimension of people-to-people engagement between both countries. I'm confident that this will be another attraction in Kuala Lumpur, and we hope to receive a substantial number of visitors from India in the coming years. Malaysia is not just business friendly, but also visitor friendly. As friends bound by historical ties, it is natural that Malaysia and India should continually strive to make our relations between our two countries and peoples ever deeper and stronger. I would like to express my profound appreciation for the kind gesture shown by Prime Minister Modi and the Government of India in presenting the Torana Gate to Malaysia. To quote a great man from India, Mahatma Gandhi, with every true friendship, we build more firmly the foundations on which the peace of the whole world rests. Thank you once again, Prime Minister Modi, and I hope to work very closely with you to advance, strengthen, and deepen our bilateral ties. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honorable Prime Minister of Malaysia, Dato Sri Muhammad Najib Tun Haji Abdul Razak. Without further ado, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to invite the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, to deliver his address to us this afternoon. Please welcome the Honorable Prime Minister of India.
मलेशिया के आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी और विशाल संख्या में पधारे हुए देवियों और सज्जनों, मलेशिया की मेरी इस यात्रा में कुछ बातें ऐतिहासिक रूप से याद रहेगी। भारत और मलेशिया के संबंधों में एक मील के पत्थर के रूप में जिसे हमेशा हमेशा देखा जाएगा, उन घटनाओं में आज के इस तोरण के लोकार्पण के कार्यक्रम को मैं देखता हूं।
The Malaysian Prime Minister, Excellency, and in large numbers, the ladies and gentlemen present here. During this visit to Malaysia, there are some things which will always be remembered as historic in relations between India and Malaysia, and this is one of those things. This Toran Gate will be a milestone in our relations, and I see it that way.
ये तोरण ये सिर्फ पत्थर पर तराशा हुआ कोई एक आर्ट पीस है, ऐसा नहीं है। ये तोरण न सिर्फ दो देशों को जोड़ते हैं, लेकिन ये तोरण दो देशों की महान सांस्कृतिक परंपरा को उजागर करते हैं। उस ऐतिहासिक सांस्कृतिक संबंधों के साथ हमें भी जोड़ने का काम इस तोरण के माध्यम से होता है।
This gate, the Toran Gate, is not just the symbol or not just something which is sculpted in stone. This is not just a symbol which links two countries, but it also highlights the rich cultural tradition of the two countries, and this gives an occasion for us also to be linked together.
सदियों पहले भगवान बुद्ध ने एशिया को प्रभावित किया था प्रेरित किया था। मानव जात को युद्ध से मुक्ति लेकर के बुद्ध ही की ओर जाने के लिए प्रेरित किया था।
Centuries ago, Lord Buddha had preached his message throughout Asia, and he inspired the entire continent. And he gave the message to mankind to get deliverance from war and go towards peace.
इसका जो आर्किटेक्चर है वो भगवान बुद्ध के प्रति समर्पित भाव से सम्राट अशोक ने सांची में जो पहले स्तूप बनाए थे उसी का एक प्रतिकृति के रूप में इस स्तूप की, इस तोरणा की रचना हुई है। वो अपने आप में बंधुता, भाईचारा, समानता, इसको एक प्रबलता से संदेश देने की ताकत रखता है।
The architecture of the Toran Gate, this was made first by Emperor Ashoka, and it is with dedicated sentiments that he dedicated it to Lord Buddha. And the first such gate was built in the Sanchi Stoop in India, and this gate over here is a replica of that. And this gives us the inspiration of universal brotherhood, of equality, and it sends out a very strong message.
मैं समझता हूं कि हम दोनों प्रधानमंत्रियों के लिए एक उत्तम अवसर है कि हम हजारों वर्ष जूनी उस परंपरा को फिर से एक बार जीवित कर रहे हैं और भारत और मलेशिया के संबंधों को सिर्फ आर्थिक संबंध नहीं लेकिन उन सांस्कृतिक संबंधों की मजबूत नींव पर भी आगे ले जाने की दिशा में हम एक कदम उठा रहे हैं।
I feel that this is a very good opportunity for both the Prime Ministers to carry forward and keep alive that thousands of years tradition of the two countries. And this will lead to further strengthening of relations between India and Malaysia, which are not just economic, but also this will lay the foundations and take forward the rich cultural traditions and relations between the two countries. And this is a step in that direction.
भारत से बहुत बड़ी मात्रा में टूरिस्ट मलेशिया आते हैं। हर हफ्ते सैकड़ों फ्लाइट भारत और मलेशिया के बीच में उड़ान भरती हैं और लोग जब यहाँ आते हैं तो लिटिल इंडिया की तरफ भी उनकी नजर जाती है, वहां जाने का मन करता है। लेकिन आने वाले दिनों में जो भी यात्री आएगा वो लिटिल इंडिया को इस तोरण देखने के लिए जाना है। जरा देखे तो सही तोरण कैसे हैं, वो एक टूरिस्ट का डेस्टिनेशन के रूप में उभर करके आने वाला है।
Indian tourists come in very large numbers to Malaysia. There are hundreds of flights that link the two countries. And whenever Indian tourists come to Kuala Lumpur, they always come to Little India. This is a place of attraction for all Indian tourists. But in the days to come, they are going to come to Little India, and the Toran Gate will be the new attraction. They will ask themselves, let's go and see how the Toran Gate looks. And this is going to become a major tourist destination in the times to come.
सिंगापुर के एक प्रकार से हीरो ली कुआन यू, वे हमेशा कहते थे कि किसी देश की प्रगति कैसे होती है वो सिर्फ उसके राजनीतिक आर्थिक कार्यक्रमों का ही आधार नहीं होती है, लेकिन उस देश की सांस्कृतिक विरासत क्या है, सांस्कृतिक सोच क्या है, सांस्कृतिक कदम क्या है, उसके आधार पर वो राष्ट्र कहां से निकला और कहां तक जा सकता है उसका अनुमान लगाया जा सकता है।
The very well-known leader of Singapore, Lee Kuan Yew, used to say that the progress of any country can be measured not just by the economic and political progress made by that country, but on the basis of its cultural tradition, its cultural thinking and philosophy, and the cultural steps that it takes. And it's only on the basis of that that you can make an estimation where the country has started and where it is headed.
मलेशिया के प्रधानमंत्री श्रीमान नजीब जी ने अपनी दीर्घ दृष्टि के द्वारा भारत और मलेशिया के संबंधों में आर्थिक, सामाजिक, राजनीति से भी ऊपर उठ करके सांस्कृतिक संबंधों को भी जो बल दिया है, उसके लिए मैं हृदय से उनका बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करता हूं, मैं उनका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं।
And the Malaysian Prime Minister, Mr. Najib, I'd like to heartily congratulate him for his far-sightedness. He has taken our relations beyond just the economic, social, and political aspects and has placed the cultural aspects right at the forefront. For that, I'd like to congratulate him from the bottom of my heart and would like to thank him.
मेरे 3 दिन के वास्तव्य से मैं विश्वास से कहता हूं कि भारत और मलेशिया के संबंध भूतकाल में रहे होंगे, उससे कई गुना अच्छे, कई गुना गहरे, कई गुना मजबूत और कई गुना गतिशील बनेंगे। ये मुझे उनके नेतृत्व में और उनके भारत के प्रति जो प्रेम है उससे साफ साफ नजर आ रहा है, और मेरा विश्वास है कि भारत और मलेशिया के संबंध पूरे एशियन रीजन में एक सकारात्मक प्रभाव पैदा करेंगे।
During the day visit of mine to Malaysia, I can say with full confidence that the relations between India and Malaysia, they were there in the past, but in the times to come, they'll be better, they'll be deeper, they'll be stronger, and they will move ahead with greater speed. And this has been possible under the leadership of Prime Minister Razak, and also for the love that he has shown for India. I can see this very clearly. I can say with confidence that the relations between India and Malaysia will have a very positive effect on the entire Asian region.
ये पत्थर से बने बने तोरण, इस पत्थर का एक एक इंच पुर्जा हमारी सांस्कृतिक विरासत का संदेश देता है, हमें एक नई प्रेरणा और ताकत देता है। मैं इस स्मृति को यहाँ पर लोकार्पण करते समय बहुत ही गौरवान्वित अपने आप को अनुभव कर रहा हूं, और मैं मलेशियन सरकार का, प्रधानमंत्री जी का फिर से एक बार बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूं।
This Toran Gate, which is made of stone, every inch of it, every part of it, shows and takes forward the strong message of our cultural traditions, and will give it infinite strength. And while inaugurating and dedicating to the people this Toran Gate, I feel a great sense of pride. Once again, I'd like to express my gratitude to the Malaysian government and to the Malaysian Prime Minister. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you very much.
Thank you to the Honorable Prime Minister of India. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, I would like to invite the Honorable Prime Minister of India and the Honorable Prime Minister of Malaysia to be accompanied by all the other VIPs to proceed to the of the Toran Gate. Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, and Honorable Prime Minister of Malaysia, Dr. Sri Mohammad Najib Tun Abdul Razak, would like to invite both Prime Ministers to cut the ribbon on a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. I would like to invite both Prime Ministers to now proceed directly to the plaque signing ceremony. I would like to invite the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, and the Honorable Prime Minister of Malaysia, Dato Sri Mohammad Najib Tun Abdul Razak, to place their signatures on the officiating plaque. I would like to invite now all our other VIPs to kindly join the Honorable Prime Ministers for a group photograph. I would also like to invite the Secretary General of the Federal Territories Ministry, Dato Sri Adnan bin Haji Mat Ihsan, and Group Managing Director of MRCB, Tan Sri Muhammad Salim Fateh Din, to join in this group photograph. Please join us, ladies and gentlemen, in giving a round of applause in appreciating the Honorable Prime Minister of India and the Government of India for the beautiful gift of the Torrent Gate. We thank the Government of India for the beautiful gift of the Torrent Gate, another symbol of the everlasting friendship between two governments. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, announcing the departure of the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. And ladies and gentlemen, announcing the departure of the Honorable Prime Minister of Malaysia, Dato Sri Mohammad Najib Tun Haji Abdul Razak. Please do kindly refrain from entering the cordoned off area, ladies and gentlemen. We will allow you to enter the Torrent Gate momentarily, but please allow for the event flow to come to an end. Thank you.